Hi everyone and welcome back to Kiwi Investments. Today I will be showing you the inside of my 20,000 plus portfolio in Sharesies. Now I will show you my portfolio, but I actually also use this as a clickbait to grab your attention to tell you that it does not matter what I have invested in or what my portfolio looks like. And it doesn't matter what someone else has invested in or what their portfolio looks like. You have to come up with your own way of investing that you're comfortable with and do your own research before buying into a company. I'm making this video because there's other YouTube channels out there showing off their $8,000 portfolio or even lower than that. And people are just blindly following them around. And it kind of makes me sad that people are just following people around like that. Listen, those guys cannot predict the market. The experts cannot predict the market. Just have a look at this. Around the time when Sky City's new convention center went up in flames, I got this email from a so-called expert saying that Sky City is not a stock that has made my radar. There is a question I applied to all my portfolio holdings. Does this business improve the world in some way? I'm not sure casino operation does. Seriously, are you thinking of Sky City as just a casino? Do you even know what went up in flames? It was a convention center. It was meant to bring in millions of international money into New Zealand. How's that not a good thing? A convention center that could hold big concerts, along with a whole bunch of other things. Sky City is not just a casino, and these experts just see it as a casino. Don't listen to them, guys. Do your own research. Now let's look. This expert wrote that on the 25th of October, which is right over here. And look, the price stayed the same, and it even started going up. This dip right here is a different story. Most of Sky City's high roller customers are from China. And with the coronavirus scare, Sky City is definitely going to be affected. So that's a different story. Has nothing to do with the fire. So there you go, guys. Experts don't know. And especially YouTubers that are starting out with a very small portfolio, they especially don't know. And don't get this video wrong. I'm not taking shots at anyone. I actually think it's good that these people are trying to encourage Kiwis to invest. I'm just telling you, I'm just making this video to encourage anyone watching to do their own research and think critically about what other people are saying. Think critically about what I'm saying as well. Because I have made mistakes in the past about investing. I've listened to people, I've sold too early, and I've lost a lot. It's definitely a beginner's mistake. So yeah, do your own research, know the company well that you're buying into. My second clickbait point is that if you think $20,000 invested in the stock market is a lot, it actually is not a lot. You're not gonna get rich from only $20,000 invested in the stock market. That's why I kind of laugh when I see people showing off their $8,000 portfolio on YouTube. Because let's say in my $20,000 portfolio, I make a 20% return this year, which is really hard to do. With a 20% increase on a $20,000 portfolio, that's only $4,000 in profit, which is not exactly rich status because you can't actually live off that. But again, people, please don't get this video wrong. I'm not trying to discourage you from investing. Investing anything is better than not investing, but only invest what you're comfortable with losing. Golden rule. I say investing is better than not investing because savings accounts are not as good as people think they are. When you leave your money in a savings account and you count for inflation, you're gonna be left with less buying power or just break even from what you put in years ago. I'm talking about the buying power of that money goes down when you leave it in the savings account because the interest rate in savings account is almost always less than the inflation rate. Now it can lag behind some years, but it always catches up. Okay, now let's look at my Sharesies portfolio, and hopefully by this time, when you look at it, you probably won't care what I invested in. Just a heads up, the portfolio is not doing really good right now because of the coronavirus. It's a pandemic, people are scared, people are selling their shares. And am I worried about my portfolio? Absolutely not. I'm definitely gonna buy more shares because this is kind of like, it's kind of like Boxing Day for stock market. Everything's going on sale because people are scared. So there's a few stocks that I wanted to buy which I haven't bought yet. So let the people keep selling. So here it is. Here's my portfolio. Like I said, it's not doing too good. That's it. I'm slowly taking money out of my Sharesies account and putting it into my ASP security platform, which is another DIY trading platform. I made a separate video about the good and the bad points about Sharesies and ASP security, and that video should pop up in your screen right now. So just click on it if you're wondering why I'm taking money out from Sharesies and putting it into my ASP security account. I also made a tutorial video on Sharesies and how to sign up with Sharesies. So if you're interested in that video should pop up in your screen now as well. Like the video if you like something or learn something, or if you like the content. Subscribe if you want to, because I got different investing ideas that I'm going to make YouTube videos on. That's not to do with the stock market. So I'm trying to give you different ideas on what you can invest in, how to spread your money, because the stock market is just one investment you can do. There's property and there's a whole bunch of other stuff. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified when I make those videos. Yeah, until then, bye.